Welcome back to the channel, guys. And today we're probably doing something you're not supposed to do, but we're gonna give it a shot anyways. We're gonna take that little Kubota BX23S and we're gonna remove that tree right there without cutting it off. We're gonna try and remove the whole tree, stump and all, just out of curiosity. I mean, we got a nice December 29th in Iowa, and it's 50 degrees out. No snow on the ground. So what better use than to play on the Kubota? So stay tuned, guys. We'll rip that tree out or get hurt trying. Been a minute since I played with this guy, so I don't know how well this is going to work out, but we will give it a try. First, we're going to try and get this little rock out of the way here. Oh, that's a bigger rock than I thought. We'll add that to the rock collection. Look at that. That's what we're dealing with around here. Well, half the digging's done now. If you take a look at it here, it's really like 3 trees in one. Some more rock. Get to the other side of the tree here, do some more digging. Bump the tractor up a bit. Give her a little more power. Say that went a little better than I was expecting. That was quick. All right, we're gonna see if we can pick her up and drive her over to the wood pile here. Try this old BX Barracuda thumb out. Oh, she's not out yet. All right, we're gonna put the thumbs up, put the little ground up here. And we'll be on our way. I'm sorry. sorry, but this is gonna be a shorter video than I thought. That took what, like 4 or 5 minutes. So we're gonna pick her up, move her over. Maybe I'll grab another tree since it's going so well and continue clearing out the small trees. I want the big ones to thrive here. We're gonna move you. I don't want you to get taken out. Tree alone. Whoop doop doop. Might go into the logging business. You need me to take down any of your timber. Front end is a little light. Probably a little bigger than I'm supposed to pick up. So we're gonna launch that guy out there. And we'll come around and try and push her in with the bucket. All right, so that was a short video for you. In case anyone else besides myself was curious if you could take out like a 3 or 4 inch tree without cutting it down with the backhoe. Well, we just proved you can. I suggest to wear a hard hat though, in case it comes down on you instead of away from you. But either way, we'll call that a success. Maybe we'll rip another one out real quick. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and we'll continue on playing with the Kubota. We're clearing out the woods over here. This area right there. Thinning out the herd of trees. I want to keep the big ones, ditch the small ones like this guy. And then we're gonna level all this out. Maybe run a pulverizer over in the spring, seed it, and get a park-like setting. So that's what we're gonna try. I just spotted one to get. We're gonna take that little guy out real quick. Since I got her out, we'll use the little grabby with the Barracuda thumb and yank her on out. We'll see how it goes. Well, I apparently thought my bite was bigger. Don't try this at home. Oh, that didn't work. We did that guy in one swoop. We'll go offload him and then we're done for tonight. So there you ripped out 2 little trees. One was about 4 inches in diameter. The other one was probably 2 with a little bush around it. If you'd like to continue to see someone who does not know how to operate their little toy tractor learn how to operate his little toy tractor, subscribe. We'll keep putting out some videos. Right now, the big project that we're working on is clearing this little area out. Like I said, I'm going to take tree, take these little trees out. That one's going to stay. That one's going to go. We're going to take out anything like sub 6 inches or so and anything dead. Clear it out. Kind of box blade this section up. I'm kind of working my way down from the house down towards the road. We're going to keep cleaning this up, doing some grading and some smoothing it out. I think we'll get a soil pulverizer in the spring so we have a nice seed bed. And we will plant something to keep all the saplings and weeds down. But as always, guys, appreciate you watching. Like the video down below, that helps me with YouTube. And comment. I always like hearing from you, like conversing with people. Tell me what I'm doing wrong. Seriously, I'm just trying to learn how to use this thing here. So as always, guys, have a good one. Appreciate you watching.